Hello everyone, welcome back to Brian's Tech Tips. Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to make your gauge cluster look like brand new. If you've used paper towels on your gauge cluster, you know that will scratch the living crap out of your stuff. I've already done this gauge cluster, so let's take a quick look at it. Shiny. See, there's no scratches. It is only like 50 years old. This works pretty well. All right. We are going to be using this dirty junkyard gauge cluster. Now, just to show you guys what a paper towel can do, I'm going to rub it with a paper towel real quick. And I don't know if you can see all those scratches. Looks like you can see them if I hit it right. There. Let's scratch it up some more, just show you how well this really works. Alright, there we go. You can see it's dirty, it's scratched. Looks awful. So, first thing you need to do is just clean it off with a simple cleaner. I really like this Quick Mist detailer. Mostly like it because it smells good. And just make sure you remove all the dirt and all the crap. And then you can still see it's pretty scratched up right there. Let's finish getting all the stuff off of it. Just scratched. Now when you're doing this process, make sure to use a high quality microfiber towel. I will put a link in the description of the ones I'm using here. Next thing that I really like, scratch and swirl remover. This works on everything, not just paint. Shake the crap out of it. And then use a clean microfiber towel. You'll need a total of 3 towels to do this. Just put a dab on there. And then you're just gonna pretty much just scrub on it a while. Now, depending on how bad your scratches are, you may have to do this more than once. I'm gonna do this a couple of times. So I'll get back to you so you don't have to watch that boring crap. No, I did that 3 times. I just kept putting a little dab of the stuff on it, wiping 3 times. Super simple process. And then with the next clean microfiber towel, you just spray a little bit of cleaner. If you have a hole right there to do the mileage stuff, don't get stuff in there, or else you have to take it all apart to fix it. And just like that, no more scratches, and it is beautiful. There are some deep scratches right here. This is from the junkyard, so unfortunately it wasn't perfect. But no more annoying scratches. Unfortunately, I made the mistake where I was cleaning my car and I used a paper towel on this thing. Just scratched the bejesus out of it. And now it is perfect. Remember guys, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe. Any more video ideas for me, please put them in the comments for me. And that's how to get the scratches off your gauge cluster. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you.